Morning everyone, hope everyone's had a really great week so far. So the Boatbuilding news roundup, the organisers of METSTRADE 2022 have announced significant improvements to the show layout this year. So following a one-off adjusted pandemic edition in 2021, METSTRADE 2022 says it will be back to normal to strengthen its position as the world's largest leisure marine B2B exhibition. So according to the announcement, early indicators for 2022 are really positive, with 96% of visitors and 90% of exhibitors declaring their intention to return. And METSTRADE is also receiving many first-time applications, particularly from electric propulsion and electronics companies. So the dedicated SuperYacht Pavilion is resuming its residency in halls 9 to 11, providing a more spacious layout to accommodate its premier stands and networking spaces. And through the cooperation with Holland Yachting Group, a strong Holland Pavilion will be created in Hall 9. And the relocation of this Holland Pavilion to Hall 9 allows room for expansion and additional services, establishing a strong and collective Dutch representation. Hall 12 will have more focus on equipment for large production yachts, and by doing this it becomes the go-to hall to showcase the most advanced technologies for innovative yacht builders, naval architects and interior designers. And recognising the rapid growth in electronic propulsion and related equipment, METSTRADE will accommodate the return of the Innovation Lab with a special focus on alternative propulsion. Emirates Team New Zealand has launched its prototype hydrogen-powered foiling chase boat in Auckland. So Chase Zero is the first boat to be launched in this America's Cup cycle, and one that is hoped will set the foundations of a huge shift towards a cleaner, more sustainable future in powerboating around the world. So with the aim to become carbon zero certified, it was obvious the chase boats were a sizable contributor to the overall emissions, and this focus on hydrogen-powered foiling chase boats therefore emerged. So it's now going to go through an extensive commissioning and testing phase in the dock over the next week or so before being set free on the water in the coming weeks. And German retailing giant Lidl reportedly has a unique solution to the supply chain frustrations that have been plaguing retailers around the world. So they actually plan to start a shipping line and buy container ships to maintain their flow of goods. So the company, which operates supermarkets in Europe and in recent years has begun expanding into the United States, has filed an application with the European Trademark Office registering the brand name Tailwind Shipping Line. So according to this, the company intends to use the new operation for the transportation and delivery of goods. And Lidl is actually not the first retailer to expand into shipping recently. So starting in 2021, a broad range of companies including Amazon, IKEA, Home Depot, Dollar Tree, as well as suppliers for Walmart in the US, each reported chartering vessels to move containers from Asia. Furniture company Loctec, however, was the first to order a container ship new build. So in January 2022, the company reported that it signed a contract with the Huanghai shipbuilding company in China to build a container ship at a cost of $32.8 million, which is due to be delivered in March 2023. I hope everyone's got a really great weekend planned, and I'll catch up with you next week.